Hey guys, so Pete and I are unloading the showroom haul. As you can see, we're at the barn. The metal halide lights are on and the world's greatest industrial fan display is on. And I know I'm gonna get asked, so no, we haven't done anything. We haven't touched up any paint or repaired or balanced any fans or anything like that. It's exactly the same as the video, but it's still great. So let's talk about what we got from the showroom. So this is the put that one in my car. The hugger, I have a buyer for that already.
Oh,
Sorry, my fault.
which
That one.
this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So here's what we have out here so far. We have a slim line. I actually have two buyers for this. I just don't know who's gonna get it because one person. This is the brass slim line, right? There's a brass and an antique brass. Yes. So two different people have made offers on it. They're both good offers. I'd take both of them. So the person who offered first offered less, and the person that offered second offered more. And I hadn't gotten back to either one yet, so I think the fair thing to do is to let the person who offered first get a chance to match the other offer. So that's already spoken for. There's another slim line down there in antique brass. These are the later stamped ones. This is a Airflow by Casablanca Universal New in Box. This is the only complete new in box universal we have. It is white and brass, I believe. Let's find out. I normally ask Pete to help me, but he's doing other things. So has an antique brass down rod with it, but it's otherwise. Oh, is there no canopy? Maybe this one isn't complete after all. Okay, let's put a pin in that. I gotta show you because all the universals are incomplete. I thought that one was complete. If you're interested, there's also some parts I can dig through. I know for a fact there's down rods, canopies, and mounting brackets for universals. So I can make it complete if somebody wants it. That's the other slim line. There's two slim lines, a slim line and a slim line 2. That one's antique brass. I don't actually know the finish of the slim line 2. White and brass. So make offer on those. Most of this is going to be what I paid for it. I think the slim line 2, I know I didn't pay more than $40 for. The slim line 1, I think I paid 40 or 50. I got to look at the thing. So it'd be what I paid unless multiple people are interested, in which case, first accepted offer or best offer. So here's a Vogue. No one has made an offer on the Vogue yet. It is polished brass with oak blades. Oak blades are right here. It is complete. It has 6 blades and brackets. I have yet to have found one that is complete with 6 blades and brackets. So this is a first. Hey, Pete, can you do me a favor? Oh, I can do this one. Never mind. There's the motor. There's the blades and brackets. The motor has the canopy attached, which is weird. And there's the blades. There's a Chippendale, complete with blades. It is the 3-speed spinner motor version. It is also polished brass with oak blades. Well, I haven't actually checked the blades. I assume they're oak. Yep, oak. Then here is a new in box Elegance with the nutone smart control, I think. Is the box open, Pete? Can you look and see it? Yeah, the nutone. Just look and see if this nutone smart control is it. Not smart control, the
little,
yes. Okay, don't bother opening the box. I just want to see if that's what it was. So yeah, nutone select touch, copper and brass, new in the box, complete with blades. And then here is the exact same fan that was a parts fan that I pulled out of the scrap. It worked, but they were just scrapping stuff before I got there. Okay, so again, you pay what I paid unless multiple people start making offers and there's a fight for something that happens before I get a chance to accept an offer. Once I accept an offer, it's yours and I don't take anybody else's offer. So I have to kind of look back at what I paid, but I paid between 50 and 70 for most of them, and I think I might have only paid 40 for the Slimline 2 because I didn't really want the Slimline 2, but I had this was a bulk deal where I had to take everything. That's why. Otherwise, I wouldn't buy stuff to resell. I'm not in the business of reselling. I don't have the time or the resources. But I had to take everything. So now I'm just trying to resell the stuff I don't want for what I paid for it. So most cases, 50 to 70 a fan, maybe a little less for some of the cheaper stuff. So Elegance would probably be 70. Chippendale 70, Vogue 70. This I didn't pay for. This was just I pulled out of the scrap. I can find a canopy and mounting bracket for it, but it'd be the older recalled version, and I wouldn't recommend that. they weren't even using that. You can see this is a canopy to a newer fan. So they weren't even using that. I just had to buy... Excuse me, I have a box of canopies. So that's why. So this is the for sale pile that I thought they were all complete fans, except for this one. I didn't realize that Universal by Casablanca wasn't complete. Hey, Pete, you can put that stuff in my car if you want to. You don't have to, but you can.
Right, I was just...
Taking a break?
No, I was making sure we get everything that's gonna get
Cool.
here.
Cool, okay, well, let's move on. This is the keeping it pile. There's a Calcutta. I wish it was the Terra type. It's the American Industries type. There's... I think those are all 4 Homesteads. One is a Whisper Fan 1, but it has a ball socket canopy that looks to be a later Homestead one, so I guess they did a showroom swap. Then there are... The rest are 4 Winds. Like they are a comfort... Like this type of motor, 52 inch, and 4 like Casablanca style blades and arms. And... they're complete in the box, but I can find arms. And I got a few sets of Homestead arms. And back here, I kept 2 4-blade nutone huggers for myself, including a brown one, because I always wanted a brown one. But I'll probably end up selling them after I test it. We'll see. And I think there's somebody that already has first dibs if he wants it. And then after that, we'll see. Pete got dibs on this, so he's going to test it and see if he likes it. And if not, it'll be for sale. So now we're in the enclosure, and there's a few more things in here. So, oh, I didn't go through the light kits yet. So, here's a box with a universal motor, white motor. No, this is a brass motor. Okay. Brass motor, white canopy. See, I told you this is all kind of a clusterfuck. Any blade brackets? No. So this is just a brass motor, white down rod, white canopy, and no blade brackets. Okay. Here is white and brass motor that appears to be complete, but I have no sets of white blades. So you could do a white and brass universal with oak blades. Well, didn't that one out there have white blades? Maybe I guess I could put those with this instead. Here's an all white universal with brass plate brackets. Again, this is the showroom swap stuff I'm talking about. So, let's see. We could put these brass blade brackets with this. Does this have a canopy? It's got a white canopy. So far, all we have is white canopies. But I know I've got brass canopies, so... yeah. And then here's a Geneva. I'm probably going to part this out unless somebody really, really wants it. Because I need the arms. Because one of the 4 Winds is brass missing the arms, so I can put these arms on it and be a 6-blade, like a Whisper Fan instead of a 4 Winds. So that's what, and then here's the Homestead blades that are loose. Here's 3 sets of oak universal blades and 1 set of walnut. I'm going to keep the walnut for sure. The oak, if people want them, I'm not going to sell them separately until I exhaust the motors, but, we can figure something out. And here's 2 sets of oak Casablanca style blades that would go to the Whisper Fan and the 4 Wind, or one of the 4 Winds. So, that is it for the showroom haul that Pete and I brought back to the barn. There's some other stuff that the whole reason I went up there in the first place was to pick up some stuff for another collector. And most of his stuff has already been shipped back to him. So, yeah, and then there's a couple things for a couple other collectors that I didn't show you. I guess I'll show you the stuff because, so that your stuff is safe if you're watching. So here's the display Geneva and Mirage that's already spoken for. And I think the other stuff that's spoken for is already packed up, right? Yep. And then Pete got a bunch of vacuum stuff. He'll probably do a separate video. And I took the Terra back to my garage because that was going to be one of the first ones we test. And I took 1 or 2 other things back to my garage. Not on purpose, just because we only had so much room in the various vehicles. So I think there's 1 or 2 things you haven't seen that I'm keeping. But for the most part, this is it. I guess I can show you. Did you load that stuff up or not, Pete?
I did.
You did. Okay. Well, I can kind of show you
Yeah,
what's
open that.
what's out here. You put it in the trunk.
Trunk is closed. You just gotta open it.
Okay. So I can show people.
Go ahead.
We're out here at the barn. What anything in the back seat? Just those loose blades. You put everything in the trunk.
Took the industrial ones in.
Oh, take those blades from the front seat. So these go to that wind. Those are sold.
Yeah.
Chrome and black elegance was sold. And here's a chrome Saturn light kit for it.
One go to?
Those go to a Mirage or a Chippendale or something. I'm not sure which, but put them on the loose Homestead blades pile. Maybe either they're loose Homestead blades or Matt Cody will want them. This light kit, Homestead Spotlight. Somebody already asked if it's Casablanca. No, it's genuine Homestead. That's going to another collector. Nutone Hug the Ceilings going to another collector. Yeah, Patrick's Wind. I'm trying not to say the name. Sorry, Patrick. Mystery Other Collectors, Elegance, with gloss black and chrome light kit. Mystery Other Collectors, Hug the Ceiling, and I think that's everything. So Pete, I'm sure we'll do some more videos tonight, but that at least is enough to let you guys know what I brought back. I want to add to the video, because this is at my house, I have this Homestead light. You've probably seen this in the Homestead catalog, in white, not Snow White, but white. So it would go on like an off-white wind. I don't know if it fits on other Homesteads. It probably does. I don't know if you could use it on like a Universal or something. None of the Homesteads are the right color. They're all brass, so I can't imagine. I don't know what fan it would have gone to that they have. But hopefully somebody has a white wind. It would be perfect on that. And just wanted to include that in the video.